Welcome to GoHighLevel Shop Plumbing Funnel and Websites Demo. Watch, you will get one. Website and funnel design get 2 versions, each with 10+ pages featuring unique designs, layouts, and copywriting. Includes commercial license images and fully customizable copy. 2. Custom values. By using the custom values, you can customize branding across all websites with ease. Simply update your business info once, and it's applied everywhere. 3. Free updates for 1 year. Receive free design updates for 1 year, ensuring your website stays modern and fresh. 4. Installation guide with video and documentation. Complete video and documentation provided to guide you through website installation and customization. Let's have a look on website version 1. In this plumbing website demo, you'll experience a complete and fully functional 10-page website, starting from an inviting homepage, followed by an informative About Us section to introduce your practice. The website also includes a comprehensive services page, a user-friendly booking system, and a testimonial section to build trust with potential clients. Additionally, there are essential Contact Us and policy pages to ensure all necessary information is covered. Every element is carefully designed to engage visitors and drive conversions. You'll also get access to commercially licensed images, making your content visually appealing and professional. The website is easy to customize, allowing you to update colors, contact information, and logos to match your brand in just a few simple steps. Built inside GoHighLevel, this design is fully mobile responsive, ensuring it looks and functions flawlessly on any device. Now let's have a look on website version 2. Now let's have a look on custom values. Custom values make updating your branding quick and easy. With just a few clicks, you can change colors, update logos, add social media links, and more without needing to edit each page individually. Once set, custom values automatically apply across your entire website and funnels, keeping everything consistent and on brand. It's a simple way to manage your design and content updates efficiently. Don't wait, get your funnels and websites now.